everyone. Today we're going to talk about our identity tile and how to glaze it. Although we're not going to actually glaze it, we're going to use an iron wash. And an iron wash is just iron mixed up with some liquid, some water, and you put it on and you rub it off and you get really great variations of value when you wipe it off and you leave it in certain areas. So I have two different kinds of iron wash, red iron wash and black iron wash. I think I want the black iron wash. I don't know why. So I'm going to do that, and I have my tile and I have some water and a sponge in here. And
you can also do this with any of the glazes if you don't like the iron wash. You would just want to make sure wherever you wiped it away that you also put on clear glaze. So feel free to use a color of your choice.
A rag, and then a big brush. So you want to use a big brush with this. So I'm going to get my brush wet. I'm going to shake this a little bit, make sure the lid is on. And okay, get it down in there, wipe it off. Brush it on. You want to get in all those little nooks and crannies. For the nooks and crannies, I'm actually going to switch to a shorter or a smaller bamboo brush. Be a lot easier. Okay, and then let me put this on here. Here's where the magic kind of starts to happen. So I'm going to take my sponge and I want to wring it out. I'm going to start to wipe it back. And every time I do that, I want to then clean my sponge off a little bit. And I want the iron wash to stay in the grooves. I also want to just wipe the sides here. So they get a little bit of color. They're a little stained. Kind of wipe up this stuff. So wipe it back until you're happy with how things look. You definitely want it to be in the recessed areas or the lower areas. Okay, and then you're going to fire it and see how it comes out. I can't wait.